Well, again, ChoroQ fans, we have ChoroQ number 97, which is a Mitsubishi Lancer 1600 GSR. This is like the first Lancer that, competed in rally racing and stuff, to my understanding. Although, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm just kind of assuming there sometimes. Let's see here. It seems to be new, and it seems to have been around $3 whenever someone purchased this. 280 yen, 294 yen, I guess. I don't know if that's yen. Maybe that's not, but over here it's definitely yen. So that's like less than $3 in today's money, if I had to guess. And it was new. So let's take a look here. Okay, some nice protective plastic film. Well, the model's so old that it's starting to crack, I think, the paint there. It says here on the bottom 2004. I think it said down the box as well. Well, let's take a look here at these images. Yeah, that's pretty good actually for a cartoon. I only wish there was something printed on the license plate, but I guess for $3 you can't really have that. I'm just glad it actually has some printed on taillights. Okay. So this is running the raw plastic steelies here from Choro-Q. They're actually molded pretty nice. Just, a little paint would probably make them look a little nicer, because you can see the light kind of getting through that translucency of the plastic. You'll see a little orange peel on this paint here as well. So that makes me think, this whole body is this smoked gray plastic, and then they painted everything around it. Look at these tiny little vents there behind that window. The front end, yeah, it's all painted. Some ribs here in the grill. I think some paint should belong on there. Maybe some, yeah, they're supposed to be orange, and obviously these should be black. More details up here. Some hood vents there look pretty good. Some contaminant in the paint, unfortunately. And then some sort of logo, I think. An attempt of a logo. Some sort of shape, but I also think more contaminant, so it's throwing it off. That's too bad. But yeah, look at this. You know what? Maybe that's not a crack. I think that's lint. It's, again, a contaminant in the paint. So this is a bad day of painting going on at the factory. Seems to have been a very dust-ridden place that day. Okay, really tiny panel gaps here. Look at the fuel filler door. That crease is so small. Door handle as well. Casted in bumper, but it's not painted silver. I guess they concentrate on the front end. It is nice that it at least has some red taillights there. There we go. Alright, yeah. Standard base, I guess. Little exhaust tip here, cast it in. Alright, well, let's take it apart now, because we're going to do a little wheel swap. Remove this here. This little tab holds that motor in place. And then I'm going to pop in my own 3D printed motor case. There we go. Put this back together. And then alright, so these wheels here, these are called T-Speed Mini Classic wheels. I forgot, so I had to look them up. Yeah, there we go. And then I have these this Uhu Patafix Pro putty here. And I just stick it in there. There we go. Let's make this one steer this direction this time around. Okay, that's good enough. There we go. Alright. alignment doesn't even matter because it's a cartoon, right? It looks, if the wheel's actually angled, it looks like it's really dynamic, Okay, time to compare it to a couple other models. I do have two 1/64 scales. One, let's see, this blue one is by Konami, I believe. Let me just double check. Yeah, it's Konami, and this is the first generation Lancer from 1974 to 76. And then this white one is made by CM's model, and that's the competition rally car that competed in the African Rally, I think. I can't recall if it won. It's possible it won. I did a review on both of those models if you want to search my history. Alright. So a couple of the Choro-Qs I guess I'll pull out here. Let's get these guys out. This is a Nissan Silvia 1800 LSX. This is an Isuzu Bellet GT or GTR. It doesn't really even say, but I think it's a GT. Alrighty. So they all have modified wheels. This is actually running Hot Wheels Real Riders. I just painted them silver. And then these are just alloy metal wheels under a brand Ingenuity, although I don't think they're listed that way on eBay or AliExpress. Okay. I was just setting this up, sorry. Alright, well, another classic car comes into the Choro-Q collection. It's really fun to just get these things, discover all the different castings that Takara made for this line of products. There's going to be plenty more videos as I discover more cool cars that came in the Choro-Q line. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.